Zinc benefits. The 7 benefits for your body if you have enough zinc. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to help you improve your digestion so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and today I love to share with you what benefits zinc has for your body, why you need zinc, what exactly are the 7 benefits that your body gets from having enough zinc on a daily basis. Number 1. Zinc helps your digestion to absorb the vitamins better from the food. So whatever you eat, you're going to be able to absorb the vitamins from your food better. Number 2, the most commonly known benefit of zinc is that it boosts your immune system. It helps our cells to get stronger against pathogens, and it also helps the white blood cells, which are key elements of our immune system, and help with the differentiation of the white blood cells as well. Health benefit number 3, why you need zinc, is because zinc is part of every cell in our human body. And especially you can see that physically through your skin. So it has amazing health benefits for a smooth and healthy skin. And it even can help to heal scars that you have from injuries or from suffering from acne previously, psoriasis, atopic eczema. Really a great support here. And it's not only the skin, it's also the nails and the hair. So get thicker hair. So if you're unhappy with your hair, think about getting more zinc in. Zinc benefit number 4 is that it helps you to get rid of the toxins. Zinc is an essential mineral which is needed to help your body detox, to really draw out these toxins out of your body that you encounter throughout your day through pesticides, but also that are already stored a long time in your body. Health benefit number 5, zinc is essential for your nervous system. So anything from memory problems to brain fog to attention deficits, think about bringing more zinc in. There was even a Chinese study published from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, which discovered that by giving kids who had like an attention deficit just 50% of their daily allowance, their symptoms improved immensely and their performance in school increased significantly. Good news for all the parents out there who have children who are just getting too wild and then can't concentrate. I was one of them, and I probably was already deficient in zinc together with other problems, but that was definitely one of them. Health benefit number 6, zinc helps you to kill off viruses and bacteria and other pathogens in your system. And this is really something you can't underestimate, because we have so many pathogens in our body already for a long time. And there were even studies that showed to be successful against retroviruses like HIV and viruses like Epstein-Barr, which can cause major damage to our body. But also if you're suffering from antibiotic-resistant strain of strep that we covered before in the videos about acne, about SIBO, if you have any intestinal issues, you might be deficient in zinc, and having more zinc in your diet and through the supplements, you can really help your body to harvest these zinc benefits. And zinc benefit number 7, this is the most juicy one. Zinc actually helps to have a healthy libido. So if you already have a healthy libido, but you might be zinc deficient as well, don't worry, you don't get crazy. But if you feel like, hey, there's something missing in my life, it might be because your body is lacking zinc. So zinc benefit number 7, a libido increase and a healthy sex drive. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't watched the video about which foods to eat, which foods are rich in zinc, to boost your zinc levels naturally, make sure you check that out. I'm going to link that for you. And if you want to take it even one step further, apart from eating the foods that are rich in zinc, you can use a zinc supplement. There it's important to choose one that is good for your body, that doesn't damage your body, and that has a high bioavailability. I made another short video to that as well. Have a lovely day, and let me know what are your experience with zinc and with zinc deficiencies. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.